PFD it's an idea.
We at PFD strive to be the best protein fabricator in the country.
What we felt was lacking in the industry was attention to detail. Attention to detail to what was sourced, to how it was processed, to the interactions between supplier and customer.
You can never be satisfied. You can never be stagnant. Industries evolve, things change, technology changes, and you have to be on the forefront of that.
From start to finish, we wanted to change the entire way everything was handled. That was our intentions when we started PFD, and we're sticking to that.
The mission for transparency is at the core of everything that we do.
Transparency creates trust.
This is an investment in a timeline. There's no shortcut to it.
And it also is an expression of confidence on the part of PFD.
We don't hold anything back. We have an open book and an open door policy.
We feel an incumbent responsibility to make sure that at any time, unannounced, our customers can come in here and see what we're doing, not on the best of conditions or the worst of conditions, but in the truest of conditions, at any time and at all times.
The beef industry has traditionally not been transparent, and we feel like the consumer should know every step in the process. They may not want to know every detail, but they want to know that somebody's watching the ship.
Well, my dad years ago had a couple adages. One is, we want our customers to want to do business with us. So that means we'll do whatever we can to earn their trust in us. And secondly was the importance of always doing the right thing, even if it might be costly.
There's a lot of things that we do to ensure that our customers are going to receive a consistent quality product. And those things range all the way from the nutrition to the genetics to how we treat the cattle. And it's important that you have that in place. It's not just an accident that we have good beef. It's on purpose.
People want to know where their food's coming from. People want to know what it's eating, They want to know how it's raised. Is it humanely treated? Is it cared for in a way they would feel good about serving it to their own families? And that was a big factor in us when we went out to find the raw material for our brand.
It took quite some time to find suppliers to meet our standards, but we feel very confident now that we've teamed up with some of the finest suppliers throughout the country.
We look for someone that has control of their life cycle from start to finish.
I think the one thing that makes us unique compared to the larger players is the fact that we're vertically integrated. We really understand the cow-calf side of things and the genetics. And by doing that, we can really focus on high quality and consistency.
Our customer can know where the product's coming from, how it was raised, and how it was fed. All those things are important to when we get it, we can continue that traceability to how it's processed and how it's delivered.
We are really focused on decommoditizing our business, and our customers who source from us, we hope they see an advantage in that because we are focused on something that's unique and not a commodity. It's completely different than what's available in the rest of the industry.
It's important that they understand that there is a differentiation between different products. Beef isn't just beef.
PFD offers a wide and also a very narrow range of products.
A lot of people ask me, what are the items that you make here? And my response always is, what can't we make?
That encompasses beef, veal, lamb, chicken, turkey, any kind of protein.
Everything from burgers to steaks, handmade skewers, dry-aged products, complete customized portion menus is what we focus on here.
We've designed PFD into a boutique butcher shop with critical mass capabilities.
Quality is not just the piece of meat or the product that we're delivering. It's all the elements that go into the customer receiving that product when he wants it, the way he wants it, consistently.
We control about 1% of the beef production in the U.S., so volume is not our thing. We're about quality.
And it's not acceptable to have it just once. It's important to have it like that every time.
Every day we come in, we work hard, we try and do something new, we try and do something creative, and we try and help our customers.
The journey that is PFD is one that we always strive for perfection, and we always strive for how we can do things better than we've done it the day before.
Our customers have extremely high expectations, and they have very high standards, and that's rightfully so. That's the people we want to be associated with.
There is industry standards and then there's our standards, and our standards are much higher. And that's what impresses our customers when they come to see our facility.
We'll never be satisfied. We'll never settle, and we'll always be looking for a better way to do things.
It's not the facility, it's not the infrastructure, it's not the equipment. To a lesser degree, it's not the raw materials or anything. It's how we use all of those tools. It's how we use all of those gifts.
It's having all the right components and the right people that make PFD what it is.